Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two robot vacuums, the Robot Vacuum and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Robot Vacuum is priced at $699, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at a more affordable $199. It's clear that the ROPVACNIC offers a significant cost advantage. When it comes to cleaning performance, both vacuums excel in their own ways. The Robot Vacuum offers a 2-in-1 mopping function, perfect for those who want to tackle both dust and dirt. With its 1,400 pascal suction power, it can quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful 3,000 pascal cyclone cleaning system, which increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. It proficiently vacuums all dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris on multiple surfaces. Moving on to smart features, both vacuums offer convenient options. The Robot Vacuum can be controlled through a smart app, allowing you to create a cleaning schedule, change cleaning modes, and even control the direction of cleaning. It is also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers smart app control and voice control compatibility. You can easily personalize your cleaning needs, monitor real-time status, and set scheduled cleaning. Both vacuums provide a seamless smart experience. When it comes to maneuverability, the Robot Vacuum takes the lead with its advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance function. It can intelligently identify and avoid white walls, stairs, and obstacles, ensuring a thorough cleaning without any mishaps. Additionally, its slim design allows it to reach every corner of your house or narrow spaces, keeping your house neat. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also excels in this category with its low height of 2.99 inches, allowing it to effortlessly access and clean underbeds, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places. If you have pets at home, you'll appreciate the pet-friendly design of both vacuums. The Robot Vacuum features an advantaged brushless suction port, which means no more hair entanglement. It is powered by a strong digital motor and has a unique air inlet design, making it ideal for pet families. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers a no-entanglement design, ensuring you won't have to clean up tangled dog or cat hair. Its 3-point cleaning system and optimized larger dust box efficiently collect pet hair throughout your home. Let's talk about cleaning modes. The Robot Vacuum offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning. The zigzag path covers the largest area for cleaning, reducing misscanning and increasing efficiency by 30%. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner provides 6 cleaning modes, including auto cleaning, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, schedule cleaning, manual control, and zigzag cleaning. You can easily tailor the cleaning mode to your needs via the ROPVACNIC Smart App. Lastly, let's discuss some additional features. The Robot Vacuum impresses with its 100-minute runtime and self-charging capability. It can continuously work for 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house and will automatically return to the charging base when in low battery or finished cleaning. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers scheduled cleaning and self-recharging. Once set, the robot will start cleaning on time and navigate around your home, returning to the charging station when it's done. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two vacuums. And that wraps up our comparison between the Robot Vacuum and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both vacuums have their own strengths and cater to different needs. The Robot Vacuum offers an excellent 2-in-1 mopping function and advanced obstacle avoidance, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner impresses with its powerful suction and pet-friendly design. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preferences and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.